Welcome! Just Like Home Childcare is proud to offer one of the best early educational programs in the country, from infant to kindergarten and beyond. At Just Like Home Childcare, we believe all children should have access to the highest quality early childhood educational experience possible, regardless of background, financial circumstance, or ability. In support of all our children and families, we embrace inclusive participation of all children in our program to ensure the center can meet the unique needs of each child and their varying abilities, interests, and passions. Piaget is a child development philosopher who has set a strong foundation for our curriculum. We focus on the 6 main domains of childhood development: cognitive development, creative expression, executive function, language and literacy, physical development and wellness, and social and emotional development. The curriculum is designed to nurture children academically, socially, emotionally, and physically. Here, your son or daughter will find a rich, nurturing environment where learning is fun. The curriculum grows as skills increase, and passionate teachers turn every learning moment into a positive experience. In short, it's a place where you can be confident your child will thrive. We're happy to meet with you anytime to talk about your child's progress and growth, and we invite you to share your suggestions or concerns with us. After all, you know your child better than anyone else. We value your insight. I will market my program through newspaper ads, radio announcements, passing out brochures, and posting on social media. By capitalizing on everyday opportunities to communicate with families, the enrollment for Just Like Home Childcare will skyrocket. I made a brochure, and I used pictures that promote a home-like environment and colors that are easy on the eye. I used a lot of information that I put on my website to reiterate the main things Just Like Home Childcare focuses on. Next, I made a press release, and this is just an advertisement for the grand opening of our childcare center. This is a business card for the director, but all the staff can have the same one, just different information. The tagline for Just Like Home Childcare is "Home Away from Home." We provide an atmosphere where children are respected, staff are responsible, and parents are always welcome. The event I made is a meet and greet lunch at a neighboring church. For more information, please visit the website at justlikeHomeChildcare.weebly.com. Thanks so much.